Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change background in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and from here what we're gonna do basically first we have to cut out this video because we will be replacing the background. So in this case, we will be going for extracting this video and go into this video right here and click on cut out, or right here and click on auto cut out. CapCut PC basically does a great job in cutting out your subjects, but this only works for persons. For humans, it doesn't work on animals. So if your subject is animals, it won't work here on CapCut. So you would need to use other platforms for that. But as you can see, this is now the result of the auto cutout right here. As you can see, I think it's pretty good right here, considering we didn't do any efforts for this one. But it's not perfect, but it's doable. So it's fine. So to replace the background, all we have to do basically is we can go for this media right here. And from here, we can go for, if you have a custom background, then you can just import it and put it right here. But in my case, I'll just go for a library and just go for backgrounds right here. So maybe this one right here. I can go here and make sure that this material is at the bottom of this clip right here. Make sure that your clip is above the background. So in this case, it would be like this. So when I play it like this, and as you can see, we now have successfully changed the background. Or we can change the background like this one, and just like that. As you can see, media not found because it's just a library. But yeah, this is the background that only works for me. So this is how you do it. But yeah, this is how you change your background in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.